Are you feeling stuck in life, unsure of how to achieve your goals and live the life you desire? Look no further. Our comprehensive guide provides you with the 10 essential steps to get anything you want in life. Start by appreciating what you already have. Cultivate gratitude and take stock of your accomplishments. Shift your focus from what you lack to what you've already achieved. Adopt the gratitude attitude and see how it transforms your perspective. Learn what you don't need. Clear the clutter in your life and let go of unnecessary responsibilities, material possessions, and commitments that drain your energy and distract you from what truly matters. Create space for what brings you joy and fulfillment. Embrace positivity and its power to attract success. Develop a positive mindset that allows you to see opportunities, take chances, and radiate confidence. Smile, believe in yourself, and watch how the world responds to your positive energy. Invest in self-development and become the best version of yourself. Recognize that achieving what you want requires effort, passion, and continuous growth. Overcome your weaknesses, acquire new skills, and invest in personal growth to unlock your true potential. Invest in yourself externally too. Take care of your appearance and invest in the little things that make a big impact. Use the law of attraction by acting and looking successful. When you exude success, opportunities will gravitate towards you. Seize every opportunity that comes your way. Don't limit yourself to only relevant opportunities. Embrace new experiences and say yes to various opportunities, as each one contributes to your personal and professional growth. Know your worth and banish imposter syndrome. Recognize your value and believe that you deserve the success and opportunities that come your way. Demand respect and treat yourself as the capable individual you truly are. Get clear on what you want. Define your goals and aspirations, both personally and professionally. Understand what truly matters to you and let it guide your decisions. Don't chase external markers of success if they don't align with your true desires. Use springboarding to your advantage. Leverage success in one area of your life to propel you forward in others. Be open to unconventional paths and use your achievements as stepping stones to new opportunities and ventures. Persistence is key. Understand that meaningful achievements take time and effort. Be patient and stay committed to your goals, even when faced with obstacles or setbacks. Consistently take action, day after day, and watch how your efforts yield remarkable results. Are you ready to take control of your life and manifest your desires? Dive into our comprehensive guide and discover how to get anything you want in life. Embrace these 10 steps and unleash your potential for success and fulfillment. Don't wait any longer, start creating the life you deserve today. Full article, and more other useful info, is absolutely free in the comments.